Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to use Cameos in Snapchat. If you didn't know already, Cameo is a feature in Snapchat that lets you attach your face's picture to an animated body of a person or dinosaurs or anything. You will get what I'm saying in a minute, so yeah, let's get started. To use Cameo, first of all, be sure you've installed Snapchat on your phone and you're logged into your account. Now open Snapchat on your phone. This is our camera. Now to use Cameo, you will have to go to your chats. So for that, simply swipe right on the screen and your chat list will be displayed. So here's the chat list. Now you'll simply have to open a chat with your friend, whoever you want to send the Cameos to. So I'll just choose this one. So simply open the chat box of the person who you want to send the Cameo to. Now on this chat box, you can see that stickers option right besides the microphone icon. Simply tap on that icon. Now on this menu at the bottom of the screen, you can see the third icon. That is the icon for Cameo. Tap on that icon. Here you can see a bunch of Cameos that you can use, so just choose the one that you want to use. Now after you choose any Cameo among this, after you tap on it, you will see this screen. Here you will have to center your face on this outline. I'm showing my hands here. You'll have to show your face here. The create my Cameo option is not available for me because I have not shown my face here, but after you show your face, the option will be available to you, so simply tap on the create my Cameo option. After you tap on the create my Cameo option, your face will be attached to this bunch of Cameos right here. Now to send any Cameo to your friend, you'll simply have to tap on the Cameo. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.